Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to attach PDF to form in Wix. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Wix website editor. After navigating to Wix website editor, you'll have to scroll down and navigate to your form where you want to attach PDF. So as you can see, this is my contact us form. Now you'll have to click on the form and select edit form button. Now you'll be navigated to your dashboard where you will see this field. So this is forms field where you can easily add a PDF uploader pretty easily. Just navigate to this page, scroll down, navigate to general and click on the file upload button. Now you'll have to upgrade to a plan to let people upload files to your form like images, documents and videos. As you can see, you can let people upload documents by upgrading to a free plan. So click on upgrade button, upgrade to a pro plan on Wix, that is a premium plan. You can choose between any one of these. After upgrading, you can choose this file upload button, place it here in these fields, just left click it, drag it here and choose the file type as PDF. After that, you would have successfully attached a PDF to form in Wix. If you found this very helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.